Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa khabar semuanya? Saya doakan semoga kalian sihat walafiat walau di mana pun kalian berada. Hari ini saya nak bawa anak-anak sementara menunggu waktu berbuka puasa. Saya bawa diorang keluar Riadah petang. Kebetulan pula hari ni kami semua pakai warna grey kan. Mungkin kalian dah perasan kot dalam setiap video saya pakai grey. Sebab apa yang kucing ni? There's a cat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Saya ada baju ni 7 helai warna grey. Fari, slipper. So hari ni tak ke mana-mana sebab masih lagi PKP. Cuma jalan sekitar rumah lah. Anak-anak pun tak boleh main kawan-kawan diorang. Elsa, you want to play with that cat?
A fire. A fire.
A fire? Cat nak tangkap burung. Hey, ada sarang burung kat situ. Be careful. Ada seekor kat bawah, seekor kat atas. How to help the bird?
I think that cat is scared.
Yeah.
They don't have bladder, right?
Yes. And the bird tries to chase the cat away. Tengok. Oh, ada sarang burung kat atas tu.
Daddy,
Yes?
get off the road.
Okay, I'll get off the road.
Daddy, you're close to the road. Get off.
Okay. Dah turun dah. Macam mana sekarang? How? Who should we help? The bird or the cat?
I don't think the
Why
cat
don't we
can
help both?
Ah!
Another cat here.
Okay, I don't think I can reach up there. It's too high. The branches are so high, and you never should climb on it.
Mesti nak turun.
Daddy, what?
Doesn't want to drop.
She's stuck now.
Yep.
How can she get
Kawan
off
ni
that
turun kat
branch?
bawah.
Come on, get down.
Yeah, get down.
Yes, let's call.
Sarang burung kat mana? Tadi dia nampak dah sarang burung.
The birds are gone because the cat is up the tree.
Yes. Duduk. Oh, dah turun dah. Oh, okey, pandai dia lompat. Nak buka puasa dah. Okay.
Now we can go home.
Yeah. We can go home now.
Oh, they want to play with each other.
Yes. Are they chasing the bird?
No, they just want to play.
Oh, okay.
I want to play the rope.
So, do you like bird or cat more?
I love cat more. I
I thought you love bird.
I hate birds.
What? Okay, Fari, Elsa go. Fari, come here. Ada kereta datang. Okay, jangan lari, okay? Slow.
Daddy, watch out in the car.
Okay.
Get that foot.
Okay.
Save yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so kita nak buka puasa. Okay. Jom. Okay. Okay, saja je bawa anak keluar sekejap. Itu je lah kot, tak ada apa-apa nak tunjuk. Terima kasih kerana menonton. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat berbuka puasa. Terima kasih kerana menonton video ini. Anda boleh tekan button subscribe di sini dan anda boleh tonton video seterusnya di sini. So, jumpa anda di video seterusnya.